Assalamualaikum. How are you all, class? Okay, class, today we are going to revise draw for numbers 6 to 10. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is number 7. Very good. So let's draw and count for number 7. I am going to draw 7 balloons for number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We drew 7 balloons for number 7. Okay, now what you have to do at your home, you have to draw for all these numbers. What we have after number 7? Number 9, 6, 8, and 10. So you may draw something easy, what you like you can draw bananas, you can draw oranges, you can draw apples, you can draw any other shapes like triangle, square, circle. So keep practicing at your home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.